Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an Azure subscription and a Storage V2 account because only those support Azure files. Once done, open the portal and create a new file share. Name it, choose SMB or NFS, and set the quota. Next, retrieve the storage account name, one of the access keys, and the file service endpoint. You will use these immediately to authenticate. Make sure network access and required ports are allowed so you can reach the share from your client. Now you mount the share. On Windows, use NetUse or Map Network Drive. On Linux, use Mount, CIFS, or NFS mount commands. Use the storage account key for simple auth or configure Azure AD Kerberos for identity-based access if you need RBAC and user-level control. Also configure networking. Open SMB ports or create a private endpoint so the client can reach the storage securely. Finally, set NTFS or POSIX permissions so the right users have red/write access, and verify ACLs after mounting. Finish by testing the share. Create files, list directories, and confirm timestamps to ensure consistency. Make the mount persistent using fstab on Linux, a NetUse persistent mapping or group policy on Windows, or systemd units for automation. Enable share snapshots or Azure backup for recoverability, and set up monitoring alerts for capacity and latency. If something fails, check network security groups, DNS resolution to the account endpoint, and validate you use the correct storage key or Kerberos ticket as the quickest troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.